Friends, to commemorate Swami Vivekananda's visit to Assam and the present-day Meghalaya in 1901 and his stay here at Guwahati and visit to the Kamakhya temple, the Ramakrishna Mission Ashram, Guwahati has published a beautiful and limited edition calendar for the year 2025. The calendar contains some very beautiful and inspirational quotes and accounts of Swami Vivekananda. The make and presentation of the calendar is unique and awesome. My friend Sandeepan, who took a very active part in the whole project, visited me on 19th of December 2024 and presented me one of the copies of the limited edition calendar. He also sang one of Swami Vivekananda's favorite song, Tomare Koriachi Jibonero Dhruvotara. This song is also one of my favorite Rabindra Sangeet. Hope you like the presentation. Thank you.
So this evening it's all about recollecting the inspirations we derived from Swami Vivekananda. Both of us are utterly inspired by Swami Vivekananda. Virtually want to give away the entire moments of the rest of our life for Swami Vivekananda's work. So we're taking this opportunity tonight to sing a song which was one of Swami Vivekananda's favorite. In the year 1884, when his guru was ill, he sang this for his guru, and today we're just making a humble effort to relive those moments of Swami Vivekananda. So here it is. Tomare koriachi jibanero dhruvotara e সমুদ্রে আরো কভু হব না কো পথহারা তোমারে করিয়াছি জীবনের ধ্রুবতারা যেথা আমি যাই না কো তুমি প্রকাশিত থাকো যেথা আমি যাই না কো তুমি প্রকাশিত থাকো আকুল নয়ন জলে ঢালো গো কিরণ ধারা তোমারে করিয়াছি জীবনের ধ্রুবতারা। Thank you.